honorable principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends. First of all, great morning to all of you.
Great morning, Sakshi.
I am Sakshi, standing in front of you. I study in 6th class. I study in Sunrise Foundation School. Today I am stand here for concept of math. Chapter 8. Algebraic expression. What is the name of chapter?
Algebraic expression.
What is the name of chapter?
Algebraic expression.
You know what is algebraic expression?
No.
The combination of constant and variable with for arithmetic operator plus, minus, multiply and division is called algebraic expression. The combination of constant and variable is called algebraic expression. You know how many parts of algebraic expression? There are 5 parts of algebraic expression. First is monomial. Binomial. Trinomial. Quadrinomial. And fifth is polynomial. You know what is monomial? An expression having only one term is called monomial. Binomial. An expression having 2 terms is called binomial. Trinomial. An expression having 3 terms is called trinomial. Now I will tell you about quadrinomial. An expression having 4 terms is called quadrinomial. Now I will tell you about polynomial. An expression having more terms is called quadrinomial. You know what is term? Term is a part of algebraic expression. We separate term with plus and minus symbol. Now I will tell you about how we separate the term. There is the minus symbol. I tell you that we separate term with plus and minus symbol. So this is one term and this is second term. You know how we separate terms? Now I will tell you about the coefficient. You know, student, how we find the coefficient? Now I will tell you. I write a term. We have to find the coefficient of x. First we circle x and the left number is the coefficient of x. Now I will tell you about the constant term. You know what is constant term? A number with no variable is called constant term. How we separate constant term? I write here a number. This 3 is without any variable, so this 3 is the constant term. Thank you. Have a nice day.